It might sound absurd, a 740 HP rear-drive car, a new and notoriously tricky track, cool weather affecting grip, and rain-soaked asphalt. Yet, the 2024 Mclaren 750S manages to be approachable rather than intimidating. Compared to the wild 765 LT, the 750S is surprisingly tame. While it's designed to bridge the gap between the 720S and 765 LT, it's far less overwhelming. This track-ready marvel thrives on challenges, even on a demanding circuit like Estoril, once home to the Portuguese Grand Prix. Its forgiving nature turns potential terror into a thrilling test of skill. The 750 SE's greatest asset is its predictability. The latter, combined with the Senna-derived brakes, ensures relentless performance. Even at high speeds, the brakes are more than capable, allowing you to push hard without fear of them fading. Beneath its familiar looks, the 750S features substantial updates. It combines elements of the 720S and 765 LT into a more versatile package. With new cross-linked shocks, a larger rear wing, and lighter components, it's both the lightest and most powerful production Mclaren to date. The engine's boost and updated calibration deliver 740 AP, complemented by a shorter final drive ratio for explosive acceleration. While the 750S has its quirks, such as tight seats and limited storage, it excels in performance and driver engagement. The steering column-mounted instrument cluster ensures visibility, while the redesigned controls make it easier to access the car's full potential. Updates like a quicker nose lifter and improved infotainment interface enhance usability. In essence, the 2024 Mclaren 750S is a driver's dream, challenging yet rewarding. It entices you to perfect every lap and corner, promising that there's always more to discover and master. It's a car that demands respect and skill, but gives back in spades, making every drive an exhilarating quest for perfection.